Hi, I'm Benny Herring.
Hi, I'm Calvin Robertson, and we're with the Father Engagement Unit.
So keeping children safe usually starts in the home, correct?
That is correct.
I would say usually the most difficult piece to start with a newborn or an infant or a toddler is the bedroom. And making sure that you have a firm bed, making sure that you don't have any stuffed animals or pillows on the bed to avoid suffocation.
That's nice. But what about the musical mobile?
I think the musical mobiles are very important to be mindful of because as the children get stronger and get older, they may pull on that mobile, and you may not be around when that happens.
Mm. So, anything else in the house we should know about other rooms?
I think the bathroom is a place we spend a lot of time, correct?
Yeah.
Especially when we're bathing our children and being mindful of the temperature of the water. Maybe your hot water heater may need to be at 120 degrees, maybe having some slip guards down at the bottom of the bathtub to be mindful of the possible slippage, and making sure that you just have a presence around when they're taking a bath.
And so, this is also where usually where the medicine cabinet is.
Yes, so in the medicine cabinet, you want to make sure that you secure the medicine cabinet, but also the medicine itself. You want to be mindful that you have child-proof caps on the medicine because things happen. You may leave it on the counter or such.
The other place we spend is in the kitchen.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So in the kitchen, you want to be mindful first and foremost that when you're cooking and your children are around, you have the pots turned inward, the pots and pans turned inward. You have a sturdy high chair, and just being mindful of where they are at all times because they, as you know, they can get around.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's you know what? What about the outlet covers?
The outlets, again, that's a really good point. But even beyond the outlet covers, because those are a pretty easy fix if you're able to buy those, but being mindful of the cords, the length of the cords on the blinds and the curtains, that could potentially get wrapped around.
Yeah.
Being mindful of heavy items such as plants, appliances, making sure that they're pushed back on the counter, and your older children, for example, making sure that they can dial 911 in case of an emergency.
Well, that's a lot of information.
It's definitely a lot of information, but it's just the surface. So if you want more information, you can go to fairfaxcounty.gov and search Father Engagement, and more will be provided.